In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mind Map in ClickUp. We'll start from the main overview area of your team space. Go ahead and open your ClickUp workspace and make sure you're in the correct space where you want to build your mind map. From the overview screen, look toward the top of the page for the Views section. This is where ClickUp lets you switch between things like List View, Board View, and of course, Mind Map. Click on the View option to open the menu of available views. In that drop-down, look for the Mind Map option. If you don't see it immediately, it might be under a More Views or similar section. Once you locate Mind Map, click it to add or open the Mind Map view for this space or folder. When the Mind Map view opens, you'll see a central node representing the main level you're working in. The highlighted areas in the interface will guide you to different controls. Click on the highlighted icon or button to add your first branch. This usually creates a child node connected to your main node. You can click on the text of that new node to rename it, for example, to represent a project phase, a topic, or a category. Continue clicking on the highlighted controls to expand your mind map. Each time you click, you're either adding a new node, editing an existing one, or adjusting how it's displayed. If a node represents an actual piece of work, you can connect it directly to a task. To do that, look for the Tasks option in the toolbar of the Mind Map view and click on Tasks. From here, each highlighted button you click will help you link nodes to existing tasks or create new ones from the map. Click on a node, then use the highlighted options to assign it, set a due date, or open the full task details in a side panel. Keep following the highlighted areas to duplicate nodes, delete them, or rearrange your branches by dragging them around the canvas. As you continue clicking on each highlighted control along the top and around the map, you'll discover options to zoom in and out, collapse or expand branches, and adjust how tasks are displayed. Take a moment to experiment. Add a few branches, link them to tasks, then collapse and expand them to see how your structure behaves. By the end of these steps, you'll have a functional mind map in ClickUp that not only visualizes your ideas, but also stays directly connected to the tasks your team is working on.